YouTube channel Manu Issue ACCA classes. So in this video we will be learning a small concept from the property income, so called lease premium. So if you are watching my video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe my channel and share it among your friends. In case you miss out previous video, you can still access those videos from my playlist or the link that will be blinked on the right hand side of your screen. Okay. So lease premium. So basically, if someone has been leased or taken the property on the lease, right, and paying the premium on the lump sum for the property lease, in that case, the premium is it's partially taxable. Okay, so if a person pays premium for acquiring a property, then that premium will be assessed depending the what is the life of the lease, right? If you have been leased this property for, let's say, more than 50 years or less than 50 years, like in case of more than 50 years lease, the whatever the premium you are paying to those leaser, it will be assessed under the capital gain tax. In case of less than 50-year life, the premium is split between the CGT and the income tax, and to calculate the same, the formula is here. Okay, so basically 2% into n-1, n means the lease life, or the period for which lease have been taken, right, into the into n-1 into premium received. Okay, so n is the number of years or of the lease, so or period for which you have taken the lease. Okay, so this is for the lease premium. So first of all, whenever you see in the scenario that okay, the someone is taking the property on the lease, first thing you have to think the what is the period of the lease, whether it is more than 50 years or less than 50 years. If it is more than 50 years, in that case CGT whole amount will be taxed under CGT. If it is less than 50 years, then we have to bifurcate into the income tax and the CGT portion, right? So basically the formula to calculate the income tax portion is 2% into n-1 into the premium received. Okay, so if you let me, I think I have missed something here. Basically formula is the premium amount paid. Okay, then you have to deduct this one, according to formula, whatever the amount here is coming, and the difference will be assessed under the income tax. Okay, so difference between these two will be whatever the amount is coming as a difference, that should be assessed under the income tax. Simple. Okay, now in case of tenant allowable expense, this is also one small concept. In next video we will do the furnished hold relating. So basically a tenant can claim the allowable expense from the trading P&L if property is used for the trading purpose. So if the tenant has suppose I am the tenant, I haven't taken the property from the landlord, and I am using those property for the trading purpose. In that case, I can claim the expense from my trading P&L, right? In case of property is also been, if I haven't sublet out those property, again I can claim the expense. Okay, so but I cannot claim the expense, no allowed expense if the property is vacant or if it is used for the residential purpose. So these are the things that you need to keep in the mind. So if you're using the property for the trading purpose, I am doing the business, in that case whatever expense I am incurring, I can claim as it will be allowable expense. And if even though I haven't sublet out my property to someone, and again whatever expense I am claiming, so whatever income I have been receiving from those party and the expense occur, I can native off, right? So but we cannot claim the expense in the two condition: if it is vacant and or it has been used for the residential purpose. So these are the things that you need to remember from the lease premium point of view. So I hope this video is very useful. In case you love it, you like it, please share it among your friend and whoever is studying the ACCA. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned with my channel for the more videos.